All right, everyone. Today we're going to be unboxing a Safe Act Safe UV Light Box Sterilizer. My wife gave me this for Christmas, and she knows I'm a bit of a germaphobe, so she knows that it's important for me to sterilize things. So, first things first, we see on the box it says spacious design, UV sterilization, fast wireless charging. Yes, this has a wireless charger, which I'm so excited to dig into. Fast 18 minutes and standard 30-minute two disinfecting modes. Okay, so I don't know what that means. And it says it eliminates 99% of germs, which is a claim that I guess you have to trust and believe, because I personally am not qualified or don't have the measuring equipment to justify this claim. So it might be a smart move on their part, or it might be an amazing reality that they're able to do it. But quickly, I just want to show on the bottom of the box, we have an EPA warning, safety precautions, standard do not expose eyes and skin to UV light, made in China, and warning, cancer and reproductive harm, www.p65warningsco.gov. So I guess, we have to be careful with it, and I think the reason why they've put that warning on there is because there is a UV light, as you can see, that shines in the box to disinfect everything. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this thing up. Oh, let me show you here. The back is talking specifically about the phone placement for your wireless charging. So it can charge wirelessly, vertically, horizontal, or even diagonally. That's beautiful. So place your phone vertically, horizontal, or diagonally, and it will charge in any direction. And of course, your phone has to be capable of charging wirelessly. There are 120,000 bacteria per centimeter living on the surface of your mobile phone. Really, did I really need to read that? I already have a hard time just trusting that things are disinfected properly. This is 18 times more than on a toilet. I'm sorry, I don't know. All right. So, two disinfecting modes, fast wireless charger, sanitize your keys, phone, wallet, and in 18 minutes. So, the packaging doesn't seem to look over the top. It doesn't, I don't know this brand. Maybe I'm living under a rock, but I've never heard of this brand. But I'm also a bit of a minimalist. So let's see what happens. I don't, count companies out. I just wait to be wowed or disappointed, unfortunately. So we have an accessory bag with, I believe it's a C charger adapter. And we'll put this right here. What is this? Okay, so we'll figure out what this is. All right. So the box is now empty. We can put that off to the side. It comes in this cellophane plastic pouch. Put this off to the side as well. Okay, so we have a really simple, sleek-looking box. No frills. I don't have a problem with that. Okay, just get to the point. Here's your charger. This, I think, would be the button to turn it on, because that's the only button I see. And on the back, we have some writing here. Okay, 5 volt, 2 amps, 9 volt. Okay, we have 2 input settings, wireless output, 10 watts max, UV light, 2 watts max, okay, for all of you who are into electronics. And the packaging seems sturdy. It doesn't seem, it seems like it can handle the weight of things. Okay, and we open it up and we can actually see that it has a bit of space in there. Now, I'm going to see what can be held in there. Now, I want you to make sure you don't laugh, because I'm going to share a bit of my lifestyle with you right now. I'm going to see how much of these items can actually fit in. Okay, so what we're going to do is start with what you would normally really put inside a thing like this. Okay, a bunch of keys. Nice vehicle key right there. Okay, keys fit. Have some 18650 battery cells. Yep. Have an accessory brush. I think we can. Let me get my Tetris on right now. I think that can fit like that. No, it's not going to fit like that. Maybe. And we have. Let's put the cord in here. We can get the cord in here. Put a roll of electrical tape. I think that's going to be a little taller than the actual profile. So we have a bit of space here, but will that fit? Okay, if that fits there, then see, I told you I'm gonna get my Tetris on today. Okay, I think we got it. And we have a bit of a little relief here. So what is that? About 1/4 of an inch. So let's see if it all compress. Nope. Let's take the brush out. This should fit. Okay. So as you can see, it holds quite a bit of stuff. At least more than you would need to charge in 18 or 13 minutes at a time. So it holds a decent amount of things, and I believe I don't know if you can use it for your cell phone inside. I don't know. I'd have to read the instructions. But here are the instructions. We're going to put the instructions on the screen for those of you that would like to see what the instructions are. Oh, but would you look at that? It has an aromatherapy disinfection function. Before disinfecting, use the equipment straw to drip 2 to 3 drops of perfume or aroma oils into the aromatherapy hole in the box. Oh, this thing just keeps getting better. So I guess that's what this little creature's for. So you pick up your aroma oils, or I might not be using that though, but it's good novelty. So we're actually going to get started with testing it out. All right, so we're going to take the cord supplied with the fast charger, the sterilizer. Is that what we call this thing? And we will connect it to the charger block. We've got our fabulous C charger here. Just place it in. Let's see what happens. The red light comes up. And I believe the red light means that it's in standby mode. The red light goes on for 30 seconds, then goes off into standby mode. Red indicator. So let's actually check the wireless charging capability first. Okay, so here is my phone. Would you look at that? It's charging. So it says 53%, 1 hour and 52 minutes until full. Maybe those of you who are math geniuses can figure out what the charge rate or charge strength is based on that. So now, let's see what we can do. These are my house keys, and I want to get them disinfected. So just press the green, right? And what do you know? Let me see if I can get this on camera. The green light. It's actually working. If you open it too much, can you see my keys in there? It's actually working. That's awesome. Okay, well, let's see what we've got. Look at that. Sterilized keys. So amazing. Well, like I said before, because we don't have the equipment to measure it, I really can't validate or demystify that claim. So, I guess we can say it's a good product for the fact that you can charge your cell phone and put some perfume in here, as well as disinfect your items through UV light. 99% sterilization. So for that one, so yeah, like I said, it seems like a sturdy product. If that's true, I don't know about the science yet. I don't know about the claims of 99% germs, but if it is true, I'm going to do some research and find out this technology does kill germs, then wow, even better. But I tell you, for the wireless charging capability alone, that's valuable to me. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this review, you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe, because there will be more items being reviewed